Hello Valiants, welcome to Vibrant Authentic Living. This is Nandi. Again, I'm sharing with you two of our spices that we use here in Jamaica. So here we have ginger and turmeric. Can you tell the difference? Some people can't. Can you tell the difference, right? So I'm going to share with you. So this is ginger and its cousin, very close cousin, turmeric. Right, so here, ginger, turmeric, ginger, turmeric. Okay. They are very closely related. They are both rhizomes or underground stems, so they grow underground. And actually, when you reap the ginger, it's full of dirt. You have to, rinse it thoroughly and so on. Right, so they are underground stems. Now in Jamaica, ginger is one of our panaceas. We have a couple panaceas, stuff that we use for almost every complaint. Traditionally, you go to your mommy, oh my tummy hurts, oh my this, my that, ginger tea. that is one of the first things you're gonna get, right? So if you have, diarrhea, any problem with your tummy, gas, bloating, constipation, any little thing there, they're going to give you some ginger tea. But traditionally, they put sugar in the teas. I don't ever use sugar in my tea or my juices. If anything, I'll put a little honey, but when I'm using ginger, I typically use it in my juices because I'm not that keen on teas so much, right? Particularly with things that I can just throw in my NutriBullet and blend it up, right? I'm not that into teas either. I don't like anything hot coming into contact with my food. All right, so we said ginger is the panacea, and our grandmas and our moms and our dads, they swear by it. All right, so ginger has a peculiar, apart from its gorgeous shape, its gorgeous shape, it has a peculiar flavor and a peculiar, I shouldn't say peculiar because that kind of make it sound like it's negative. It has a beautiful aroma, a beautiful flavor, and a very unique fragrance. Right? Once ginger is being used, you're going to smell it. Once ginger is a part of any concoction, you're going to taste it. Right? It's very strong, very powerful, and the essential oil in ginger is ginger oil. Now, ginger oil is anti-inflammatory and it is antioxidant, so it's very good in helping to boost your immunity. And I use ginger a lot when I'm making my sorrel. Now, sorrel is a traditional drink we make in Jamaica. Sorrel is a type of hibiscus flower, and usually around Christmas time into January, February, we have our sorrel as a drink. Some people put a little alcohol and so on. I spice up my sorrel with ginger. I also put ginger in my tamarind and other juices with a little honey sometimes. Now, ginger, of course, like I said, all complaints of the tummy. It helps with your digestion, getting that gas out. When you overeat or you eat the wrong combination of things and the gas settles in here and it can't find its way out, ginger will help it find its way out. This here, it will help it find its way out. So nausea, morning sickness, the flu, the common cold, ginger will definitely help you in getting that mucus out. It helps in eliminating the mucus and clearing your sinuses, clearing the mucus from your upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract, right? So ginger is very good. It helps with weight loss. It helps with any bone disorders, osteoarthritis, getting the joints supple again and working together. It helps a lot with that, with lowering the blood sugar, heart, menstrual cramps, brain. It's a very powerful herb, and this is why I make typically 4 juices per day, and ginger will be in about 2 of them, right? So I make 2 juices in the mornings, typically 2 in the evenings. Ginger will be in one in the morning and 1 in the evening. No, in Jamaica we buy our ginger, or typically we buy it by the pound. So a pound of ginger will go a long way. I use a lot of ginger though. So I remember I was watching this video, and this man was showing how he makes his juice, and he put some ginger, and I think he put something like this, like an inch of ginger. And I'm saying, hey, when I'm coming with my ginger, I'm coming strong. I'm coming like an M16 rifle with my ginger when I'm throwing my ginger into stuff. I tend to overdo things a bit, so don't follow me, right? But that's how I do it. Very, very strong. Now the turmeric, closely related. You notice it's very orange inside. When you open it, see it's orange, and that's where we get what we call curry powder. In Jamaica, lots of meat dishes, we put curry chicken, and when we do curry goat, lots of even some vegetables when we're steaming. Now, of course, I don't eat meat except occasionally some fish, so I don't use curry for that. So my turmeric goes into my juices. Now, it's a spice, as I said, related to the ginger. It's anti-inflammatory as well, full of antioxidants, and very good for the brain, the heart, the bones, and the skin. Same for the ginger. It helps. You see my skin. Look. This comes from juicing every day and making sure that I include all of these powerful and wonderful herbs and spices, fruits. Throw them into your NutriBullet or any other blender that you have, right? Keep your system running smoothly, clear your skin, beautiful hair, everything. So that don't wait for a crisis to occur and then you're running to get this, running to get that. Remember, on this channel we say, with the right food, you don't need any medicine. So I don't take these things as medicine, right? For me, these are not medicine. I'm not treating any disease with these. These are food. These are food made by nature that you take into your system, that keep your system going, nourishes your system. Nothing is clogged or blocked up because everything is running smoothly. Now, when you use these all the time, see, look how beautiful they are. Very beautiful, loaded with minerals, vitamins, flavonoids with the fruits, the polyphenols, antioxidants, loaded to the brim. Now, when you do that on a daily basis, and that becomes a part of your life, remember we said this is vibrant, authentic living. It's not just you wait until you're sick, or you wait until you have X amount, you're told you have X amount of time to live, and you're running to grab this and grab that. How audacious of you to say, fix me right now, after you've been pumping junk into yourself for years and decades. What audacity we would have. to come to nature and say, fix me now, after you've run to the doctor, you've loaded yourself up with pills and this and that, and radiated everything, and cut out some of your glands, and now you're on your last. What an audacity you would have to say, fix me right now. And that's the attitude that a lot of people come when they turn to natural living. They're saying, fix me right now, even though you spent a lifetime doing the damage. So no, do it every day. Let it be a part of your lifestyle. This is your living. And you will not get to the crisis point where you are so desperate that you are demanding to be fixed within a short space of time. Right? On this channel, this is our lifestyle. We live vibrantly. We are authentic. This is our way of life. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so now and share the video so others may benefit. Please like and share. If you want to support our channel, the Patreon link is in the description. Just click on that and you can go over and support us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.